Hello students, welcome to CMath classes. As we can see in all these examples, number of digits in first number are more than number of digits in the number having nines. Today we will learn about multiplication of this type of numbers quickly by consuming just 2-3 seconds. In previous video, I explained the trick of multiplication of any number containing same or lesser number of digits as compared to number having repeated nines in one step. Let me just recapitulate the process once more so that we can continue with the other method also. Like we have to multiply 204 by 999. That is, both numbers are having same number of digits, that is 3. I told you that we have to reduce first number by 1 and then write 9's complement of the number which we just obtained. What we get is 203796. Let us take one more example with 2 digits, that is 79 by 99. In the same way, we get 7821 in just 1 or 2 seconds. The process with same number of digits was extrapolated for lesser number of digits. Let us take some examples quickly, like we have to multiply 36 by 999. Now, what we do is reduce 36 by 1 and we get first part of the answer. As number of digits in 35 are 2 and number of digits in 999 are 3. So we think 35 as 035 in our mind and find 9's complement of each digit. What we get is 964. So answer is 35964. Let us take one more example with bigger number, that is 365 by 9999. In the same way, we get 364 after reducing by 1 and now write 9's complement of 0364 which is 9635. Therefore, product of 365 and 9999 is 364 9635. Let us start today's trick. Here the method changes but becomes more easier. The shortcut becomes even shorter. What we do is we count number of nines in second number and just write that many number of zeros after the multiplicand. Here it is obvious that 9 is having one digit. Therefore we write 2350 and subtract multiplicand from this number and we get 2115 as answer. This is one step subtraction and subtraction is easier to do as compared to multiplication. Let us extrapolate this method on one more number. Suppose we have to multiply 5768 by 99. Multiplier has 2 digits, therefore we write 00 with 5768 and subtract 5768 from it. What we get is 571032. Now we may take one more example. We multiply 1697 by 999. Second number has 3 nines, so write 1697000 and subtract 1697 from it. We get the result 1695303 in matter of seconds. Now we have completed magical trick of multiplication with number of nines. We have dealt with number which contain more digits as compared to the multiplier This completes our module on multiplication of numbers by 9. Practice it well, practice all the three methods simultaneously so that whenever you confront any kind of calculation concerning nines, you can do it visually, orally, without pen and paper. Please subscribe the channel if not already. Hope you all understood the concept. Please share with your friends you love. Keep practicing and spread the love of learning.